Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your AliExpress account permanently. Whether you are looking to close your account for privacy or any other reason, I will show you how you can do this. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to open this AliExpress application in your mobile, then simply tap on this account icon in the right corner. You can see this gear icon in the top right, just simply tap on it, and when you are in here, you have to tap on this first option, profile. Then you can see this last option, delete account. Just simply tap on it, delete account. Now when you are on this window, scroll down, tap on this delete your account in the red box, and then as you can see, if you still want to delete, please read the above instruction carefully and enter the following text as you agree with the above requirements. So you have to enter the text here after reading this, and then simply tap on this delete account and your AliExpress account will be deleted permanently. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.